I'm a woman that loves to be moved on.
Okay. Ogun we find as though I'm now no market.
I'm going after you say you want. Wow.
Yeah, that's you call the very. Welcome, ma.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you. My pleasure.
And who are you?
If you, I'm a security supervisor.
I thought as much. You look like them.
Sir, please, can you tell us what is going on here today?
Okay, they are doing our mother makeup.
Makeup for
one of the normas, you know. There's a song. There's a song, a new song in town, very special one for mothers. It's titled NNEOMA by Chief Imo. You know, and we are preparing for the video shoot. We want to make out a very beautiful and interesting, attractive, entertaining, educative, gorgeous and decent video for people out there to watch. So today is day one of the shoot. You can see all the beautiful mothers around. This is one of the mothers. I know everybody can appraise in there. There's something about that person. And if you're a mother, you should be a mother. Rather being a mother and then you're a murderer. So we selected mothers of virtue. Or English, what do I know? A virtue. A vulnerable mothers. A vogal. So today everybody is set. Very soon you will see them in a very different atmosphere.
And they go disappoint them.
Or English. When you need disappoint, I'm making interview. You need disappoint. So that is.
Come on. Good morning, man. What do you have to tell us today?
I'm here now. Like Imo said, a new song in town. It's all about mothers, appreciating mothers. And we're all here to support him and also be part of the musical team.
Good.
Shake our waist a bit as much as we can. People like us that can dance will do what we can do. I cook, and that's it, you know.
Thank you, ma. You are welcome. As you can see, Miss Coco. Miss Coco, what do you have to tell us in this musical video today?
Actually, it was it's very fragile, not fragile. Yeah, it's good to celebrate our mothers. No, so this music is so touching, so touching. Mostly, it makes me feel so emotional whenever I'm listening to that music. So, but for those of you who still have mothers, who their mother is still alive, please take good care of your mother. It's a very strong message. Okay?
Sugar, say you don't know what you are. Sugar, come here.
Amarane.
Hello.
Amarane, can you tell us something today? What is going on here today?
Okay, today we're here for musical video of NNEOMA from Chief Imo. You know the music now. I never knew. I am. So we're here to do the musical video to appreciate Chief Imo for releasing such a beautiful song. In fact, that song is one of the best songs ever. I've told him already that it's gonna win an award. This song is the best song that it's used to touch me like inside my heart. And this, I want to also use this opportunity to encourage everybody. If your mother is still alive, if you have a mother, respect your mother. Mothers are supreme. Mothers are supreme. They are unique people that you need to appreciate. And Chief Imo have really done well by releasing this kind of music to encourage and to appreciate mothers. I appreciate you for doing that. I want to say everybody, love your mother. Love your mother. Mothers are rare. They are not easy to just have. Those of them that have lost their mother, please, you all should take heart. You know what I do? Appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. Welcome.
Onye nwere ihe ka ndị nnaba gị enyela m. Gịnị bụ ihe ka ndị nnaba gị enyela m? Mama amaka nne eri ụtọ ha ya mma ya mma. Nne eri ụtọ nne amaka ezinne ezinne. Nne dị mma nne bara ure n'ụna n'olumaye. Nne dị mma aya mma ya mma. Mama ezi mama aya mma ya mma. Mama ezi mama aya mma ya mma. Nne mama ezi nne mụrụ m nneọma nneọma.
Hello. Welcome. Welcome, sir.
Mama.
I swear down. Man, market women. That's me and a razzle. I see. Mo vote for mo ko vote for nítorí pé mo sọ pé mo rò pé tí n bá ko vote for tó ń tẹ̀lé mi sọ ìkan náà nǹkan ṣá ntọ́ ago ge me ha fu ntọ́ o me ni bo na nti ka vote o ge be na ga mo na ge bo nwanne na so fa soso se mba na obro se na ko so ndi bunu vote o
Onye nwere ihe ka ndị nnaba gị enyela m. Gịnị bụ ihe ka ndị nnaba gị enyela m? Mama amaka nne eri ụtọ ha ya mma ya mma. Nne eri ụtọ nne amaka ezinne ezinne. Nne dị mma nne bara ure n'ụna n'olumaye. Nne dị mma aya mma ya mma. Mama ezi mama aya mma ya mma. Mama ezi mama aya mma ya mma.
dignity. You work with confidence. You know? Because you know you can't go hungry.
I know. Why don't know about hunger? Hunger is no longer our portion. In Jesus'
we
have overcome hunger.
Amen.
So it's eating, and giving to
chopping
others.
life, chopping and giving.
Yes.
And in giving you receive. That's
He's so beauteous.
Yes. Hey, why you know you?
So obvious.
We're somewhere in Delta State.
Yes.
We know for the Fedi Madina Delta. Hey, Nakwane.
Mama, papa. Mama me bengala, angala pesigio, oyoyo, hey, let's Welcome. We are one of the NNEOMAs. I told you people, he's not just anyhow person. But we selected people that want to be. Yotagonide Kwestereka has a NNEOMA and don't have here today. This is one of our mother, Ezinne Nkechimweje.
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Kadekwa young. Even actually made by Titi the other day. Welcome. Jerry.
Because I want to beat my chest and talk about this woman.
Yes, sir.
I want to talk about her.
Yes, sir. I want to talk about my sweet angel, my darling woman. They will confirm authentic mama. The only woman with a device. I love you.
This
so
girl
much.
is naughty girl. A very naughty girl. Ask me. Talk. Amarana talk. I know where to get you.
And she has got
I know where to get you. So today, I'm going to go. What should I do to her? Tell me.
Kiss me.
I know they I want to reserve.
Enemy of progress.
I walk in, but don't worry.
But see, Mama reply to this now. Say some. I don't eat. Oh, get it for the what will I do with this big chicken? Can I make content?
Yeah, sure. We do content too.
Thank God it ended in praise.
Yes, so enemies of progress.
And he was there.
Yes, so this one.
He was there. That's why he didn't hear me talk because
He was there.
I was there.
No, but they said, and she make content him do.
I'm telling you, you're welcome.
Thank you. Let's come and rock it.
Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, I love you too.
General, the woman with the verbs. Is what I took after from beginning from region. Come on, Jim. You know I love you always. Welcome. Thank you. Amen, Menu. Like a baby. Mama, amen, Menu. If you learn a man, wedding. No, I got the one. Even great grandmother gonna change.
si mami na ebe anu ansi ala no me. One meju we no. Na kan go be ko baby no chulu muzo na be mani mama no. Okwa alage. Ade kwese kuta. Ade kwese kuta. Okwa bulu ma ko. Ona ko me bo de me be bo nge wu. Ke yo mu je ni wan yo chem because na tan wan yo chem. Na tin anya fugo yo ya ni yo chem. Also so Imo by young boy. Very sexy and husky. I'm wedding. I just done my pre-wedding picture. Yeah. Imo kwa sisi kwa wedding na kitchen na kitchen record what that can name. I don't see. Yeah, we see nigga this young boy kitchen na kanike. Ogini na better no. Ogini, if you make up Adabaros. I'm getting married soon. I just done my pre-wedding pictures. Kwaga de pade de why you the high dog it dog o kazima da kapo de te e we de okwes de yi makara na eba
nebuneo nebuneo onye nwere nebiko lezie ya anya o onye nwere mama biko lezie ya anya o maka nna amaka nne ri ụtọ